Brad Williams, Excel Prime. 6.4, little known ways to save an Excel workbook. Saving a workbook. If you have a new workbook and it says book 4, you want to change that name. You want to go to File, Save As. You want to be able to put that into a particular location. For example, if you want to put this in your desktop, just hit Desktop. Just highlight that cell and go New Workbook. Hit Save. That's it. So now you have a new workbook. Where is it? Close that document. You want to open that document, you go File, Open. You know it's here. It's listed here, New Workbook. Or you could go down to your desktop and it says New Workbook. That's the quickest way to do it. If you want to get rid of this particular file, you're going to need to close the file, go to File Explorer, go to your worksheet, right click, hit delete, and it's deleted. That's simple. Another way to save, not save, but save as, is hit F12. Take you to whatever library or whatever file that you want to place it in. If you want to put it in desktop, you hit desktop. You can rename it here if you want. Just hit save. If you want to save this to a different location, if you want to put it in the cloud, hit File, Options, File, Save As. Add a place. You can go to OneDrive. If you have any of these other third-party tools, you can place it there. You can go directly to OneDrive. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.